Welcome to English Practice Everyday. Today we're going to learn the different meanings of the phrasal verb come out, and practice each meaning with simple sentences. After practicing, we'll read a short story that uses all the meanings of this phrasal verb in context. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. Come out. First meaning of come out is to be published or released. Books, films, music, etc. Come out means to be published or released. Books, films, music, etc. Her first novel came out last month. Her first novel came out last month. When does the next album come out? When does the next album come out? The new movie comes out next Friday. The new movie comes out next Friday. The magazine comes out every Tuesday. The magazine comes out every Tuesday. Second meaning of come out is to be revealed or become known. Information, truth, secret, etc. Come out means to be revealed or become known. Information, truth, secret, etc. All the details will come out in court. All the details will come out in court. The news came out just this morning. The news came out just this morning. It came out that he had lied on his resume. It came out that he had lied on his resume. The truth finally came out after the investigation. The truth finally came out after the investigation. Third meaning of come out is to be removed from a place or thing. Come out means to be removed from a place or thing. The seeds came out easily. The seeds came out easily. The nail came out of the wall. The nail came out of the wall. The lead won't come out unless you twist it. The lead won't come out unless you twist it. This stain won't come out no matter how hard I scrub. This stain won't come out no matter how hard I scrub. Fourth meaning of come out is to attend or appear at an event. Come out means to attend or appear at an event. Are you coming out tonight? Are you coming out tonight? Lots of people came out for the festival. Lots of people came out for the festival. Everyone came out to watch the parade. Everyone came out to watch the parade. Eve doesn't usually come out during the week. Eve doesn't usually come out during the week. Fifth meaning of come out is to result in a certain way or end up. Come out means to result in a certain way or end up. The cake came out perfectly. The cake came out perfectly. My photos didn't come out very well. My photos didn't come out very well. His speech came out a little awkward. His speech came out a little awkward. The plan came out better than expected. The plan came out better than expected. Sixth meaning of come out is to make a public statement about being part of the LGBTQ plus community. Come out means to make a public statement about being part of the LGBTQ plus community. They came out during college. They came out during college. Amy finally came out to her parents. Amy finally came out to her parents. My friend came out at the school assembly. My friend came out at the school assembly. Jim came out last year and felt much happier. Jim came out last year and felt much happier. Seventh meaning of come out is to develop or appear, like flowers, sun, stars, etc. Come out means to develop or appear, like flowers, sun, stars, etc. The sun came out after the rain. The sun came out after the rain. Stars came out as the sky darkened. Stars came out as the sky darkened. The leaves are starting to come out now. The leaves are starting to come out now. The flowers are coming out early this year. The flowers are coming out early this year. Eighth meaning of come out is to be produced or result from a process. For example, food from oven, print from printer. Come out means to be produced or result from a process. For example, food from oven or print from printer. The print came out blurry. The print came out blurry. The copy came out perfect. The copy came out perfect. The braid came out soft and fluffy. The braid came out soft and fluffy. My drawing came out better than I thought. My drawing came out better than I thought. That's the end of the practice session. Now let's read aloud a short story that uses all the meanings of come out in a proper context. Story title: Coming Out in Light. Alex woke up early. The sun came out from behind the clouds. It shone bright on his small town. Today was special. His first book would come out. It was a mystery novel about hidden secrets. He baked cookies for the launch party. The cookies came out of the oven, golden and warm. They smelled sweet. Alex smiled. This will come out perfect, he thought. At the bookstore, people waited. Alex's book came out on the shelves. Fans grabbed copies. I love how the story came out, one reader said. It ended with a big twist. Alex felt nervous. He had a secret. Tonight, at the party, he would come out. Not just attend, but share his truth. He dressed up and went. The party was fun. Friends came out to support him. They danced and laughed. Suddenly, his old friend Mia spilled her drink. A photo came out of Alex's pocket. It fell on the floor. Everyone saw it. It was Alex with his boyfriend. The room went quiet. Alex took a deep breath. It's time, he said. I want to come out. I'm gay. His friends cheered. They hugged him. We're proud of you, they said. But then trouble started. Mia looked upset. Alex, there's something else, she whispered. The truth came out. Mia had stolen ideas from Alex's book. She felt guilty. I copied parts, she admitted. Alex was shocked, but he forgave her. We can fix this. As the night went on, stars came out in the sky. They twinkled above. Alex stepped outside. Flowers had come out in the garden. They bloomed under the moonlight. Back inside, more food came out. Pizza from the kitchen. Everyone ate and talked. The party came out great. No one expected the drama, but it made the night memorable. Alex went home happy. His book was a hit. His secret was free. Life came out better than he planned. He sat by the window. The moon came out full. Tomorrow is new, he thought. In the end, everything came out right. Alex learned to be brave. His story inspired others. The town buzzed with his news. Secrets, books, and truths all came out that day. End of story. That's the end of our phrasal verb session. Keep practicing all 8 meanings of come out to reinforce your understanding. Bye for now.